heard it's 8800.
You can smell it. Oh, there's poor. Oh, no, it's poor camera. Oil, trans fluid, coolant, everything. Shouldn't that go away?
No, it's been lifted, alright.
It sound right, boys.
Right, welcome back to Nugget Garage. That was All Asian Day. It was a bit of fun. I had about 27 pounds of boost in the Supra. Still pushed water. Just put water back in, kept going. Drove home with the aircon on. I'll fix it one day. I will go for a walk through the shop, have a look what's happening. Clint's actually doing something.
Yeah, scratching the road.
This is in for, what are we doing there? Stump pipe, intercooler pipes. Well, let me get materials. And some wiring and some tuning, I think. This one's an old Golby's build. In for a flex tune, has an old PS1000 ECU on it. I had to cut down the PRP coil, I don't know if it's maybe it's not a PRP one. Anyway, they put different stems on it and had to cut them down so the coils actually touch the plugs. I ended up making 508 on ethanol at 27 pounds through an A340. Not bad, it's a stock 1J, fairly much. Stock head bolt. This is waiting for Jamboree. What is this thing? A Toyota Echo Turbo. We had to change it from a Sprint 500 to an Elite 750. We'll tune this one tomorrow. John's K20 is in. I think it's actually fresh bamboo paint. It's almost like he's teasing me with it. Mine comes back tomorrow actually. Oh, actually Saturday morning. This one's a CA18. Then we put a different turbo on it. We're putting a Heltec Elite into it, LS coils, different throttle body, and rewiring it. Not like that. All that. Good wiring.
I love how you got background noise, stereos
I'm gonna
on.
see if it works. Yeah. What are you doing, Dave?
I'm working on the best car in the world. That's beautiful, mate.
All sorts. What are you doing, Ray?
Everything.
That's not what I hear. I hear you do the opposite of that.
A little bit.
Anyway, so I don't know if any of that worked because of all the background noise, but I'll show you some dyno videos. Then we're into probably prep for Jamboree next week. now, probably because it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Once again, I didn't get to touch the little bike car. It's not going to happen this week or next week. We did get some work done on it though. Clint was playing around with these little globes, you know, sanding, back polishing, back masking, painting. So it's going to have those wheels on it with a little white wall. The actual car itself, Andrew's started to do a bit of wiring on, or laying the wiring out. The ECU is going to be under the passenger seat, like in the red car. Got some LED lights dropped off that don't really look period correct, but I might be able to make them look less aftermarket. They do fit, and they draw like 5 watts or something. The actual Nexus has shown me that on the red car, those incandescent bulbs, they actually max out the current limit on the 10 amp outputs, so they're not really good on power. So this week, next week's video, I think, mixed silk stacks and wagons coming in tomorrow. To SR20 VE, makes big power. We're going to probably find someone to hold a camera for that. My bamboo, not this one, K20, is going to turn up, and I'm pretty keen to see what that looks like, so I'll probably video that. I don't know what it is with all these Barras I'm tuning lately. That Falcon this week was pretty awesome. It would have made more than 1200, but we ran out of gate spring. Impressive car. Even the Barra Patrol, that thing was just on pump fuel, 15 pounds a boost, 14 pounds a boost. It would be scary to drive, the thing's sloppy as in the suspension. Alright, so the week after that we're going to do Jamboree, and the week after that we're going to do road trip. So we'll see if that little red car will actually drive road Ks or fall apart, or if I break that at Jamboree, then the Supra is waiting and it has aircon, so maybe that will make me break the red car at Jamboree. Anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week.